Okay, today we're going to make an Asian chicken in romaine lettuce wrap. For this we've got some ground chicken, about half of a large red bell pepper diced up, 2 big mushrooms. These are baby portobello mushrooms that I diced up here. You could use whatever kind of mushrooms you have on hand, be it white button mushrooms or maybe shiitake. Anything you have will work fine. I've got diced up one regular sized carrot, nothing too big there, and about half of a scallion sliced up thin. We've got our sauces here. We've got Hoisin sauce, we've got some Thai chili sweet garlic sauce, and some soy sauce. And along with that, we're going to use some canola oil to oil up our pan. And we also have some pure sesame oil, which will add flavor to the whole dish as well. So those are our ingredients, not too many. We're going to go ahead and we're going to knock this out. This won't take that long. This is going to be another quick recipe. If you tried out the giant pancake and you're still full from that, this will make a nice quick light lunch for you. Let's get cooking. Okay, we've got our pan here. It's been heating up on medium heat. We're going to go ahead and just add a little bit of canola oil, just enough to coat the bottom. And then we're going to add a little bit of our sesame oil. Now this stuff is really strong. I recommend, go light on it. Do not get carried away. Just put a little bit in there because a lot will go a long way with this as far as flavor goes, and you don't want that overpowering the whole dish. So let's get that in there. Swirl the oil around. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add our chicken and get that browning. Turn that up to medium high just so we can get some good browning going on there. While that's going, I'm going to go ahead and add some freshly ground black pepper. And you can do this to taste. I'm not going to add any salt because there will be enough salt with the soy sauce and other sauces that we're adding to this. Well, we'll just spice it up with some black pepper. Now once we've got the meat all cooked to where there's not, you're not seeing any more of the pink from the meat, we're going to go ahead and we'll start adding our veggies. We'll go ahead and add our carrots. Add in our peppers. Add in a little bit of onion there. And lastly, our mushrooms. And we'll give that all a stir. We'll give that a minute or so to cook up here. Okay, we're going to give that a little bit of a stir. See, the veggies are starting to cook up a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding some of our sauces. So we're going to add a little bit of our soy sauce. Just maybe a tablespoon worth of soy sauce. And the hoisin sauce here, we're going to add, maybe a tablespoon and a half or so. And then we're going to go and add probably a good tablespoon or so of the sweet Thai chili sauce. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the mix. That's going to help get that all worked in, help dissolve all of that, so all of our meat and veggies can get coated. And as with all home cooking, you can control what you're doing here. If you're, afraid of the, Thai sweet chili sauce, hey, use as little or as much as you want. If you like extra soy sauce, I tend to go a little bit light on the soy sauce myself. Or any of the sauces, you can adjust that. Especially the sesame oil, I'd be careful with that. I mean, that can just really overpower the dish, Do some test runs with it first before you go adding a lot of that. Then we're just going to let that cook down. We're going to let that evaporate and, concentrate those flavors once again into all the meat and veggies that we have there, and then we will make our wraps. And you just want to stir that every now and then just to make sure that everybody's getting coated with that delicious sauce that we've made. And, this would be wonderful just over, a bed of rice or noodles as well. But for today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this to our romaine lettuce because, hey, we had that giant pancake that I mentioned earlier in one of my previous videos. And we're full. We feel guilty about eating that whole thing ourselves because nobody else was home. So we're going to try to eat light today. And yeah, I think we're about ready. Sauce is cooked down nicely. We're going to go ahead and put these wraps together and we'll take a look at that. Well, there you have it. There's our Asian chicken and romaine lettuce wraps. It may not look as pretty as I'd like, being all wrapped up there. Left one open so you can see all the color from the veggies and so forth. But it is delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and come back for some more. Thank you.